Hello, everybody. My name is Andres, and today I want to talk about a futuristic technology called Neuroskin. What is it? Neuroskin is a smart nanotechnology device implanted under your skin. What does it do? It connects your brain to digital system so you can control everything your phone, lights, music or computer just by thinking. How does it work? To use it first, you need a short medical procedure insert to the chip. Then it synchronizes how your brain apes and learns your partners. Positive points. It's modern, fast, and easy to use. It gives people freedom, safety, and new way to experience technology. Negative points. It's expensive and so people think it's dangerous for privacy. Would recommend it? Yes, I would, but only for people ready to connect to body and main as one. Thank you for listening.